Start by measuring out 4 panels all 4 inches tall. Draw a line all the way across the cardboard where you made your 4-inch marks, and then cut them out evenly. Then you're just going to trim down all the pieces to the correct lengths. The tails will be 4 by 13 and the ribbon will be 4 by 17. After that, I got 2 metal wires and loosely bent them into S shapes. Then I began duct taping them onto the 2 ends that would be the tail ends of the bow. I used the extra pieces of cardboard to strengthen the ends of the ribbons and to also help hide the wire later on during the paper mache process. After this, I just continued to duct tape all 4 pieces until all of them were fully covered. For the paper mache, I used 2 parts glue and 1 part water. After letting the paper mache completely dry, I did 1 thorough layer of Plasti Dip. After the Plasti Dip dried, I gave all the pieces a base layer of white. I then made 3 lines on all pieces to mark off where the 3 colors will be. I then coated all the pieces with a layer of glittered Plasti Dip. I then glued the 2 tail pieces to a headband that I had spray painted pink. I did the same with the 2 ribbon pieces on top. After that, I then measured out an 8-inch long piece of reinforced cardboard. I then cut out 2 pieces that were 1 inch tall and 4 3/4 inch long and glued to the sides. I then added a layer of silver spray paint. Then added a layer of glittered Plasti Dip. I then cut out 4 half-inch strips and 4 5 3/4 strips. Then I glued all the pieces together to make what looks like tiny shelves. I then cut out a 2-inch rectangle and glued 2 of the shelves to each side to make a small rectangular box. I then covered all the pieces in silver spray paint. After adding the final layer of Plasti-Dip, this is what it should look like. Finally, glue on all your metal pieces and then you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope your cosplay comes out good.